Hi, I have a Samsung Galaxy S3 here with me, and the phone is working fine. As you can see, all the backlights are also coming up, but the screen is not. The screen digitizer has gone faulty, and I cannot do anything on the screen. It's totally blank, but the phone is totally working because when I press on the keys, it responds. So I'm going to be replacing the screen. Actually, the fault is with the screen digitizer. Now I have purchased a replacement screen here, screen digitizer from AliExpress, and the cost of this is approximately 3,500 rupees, Indian rupees. And AliExpress also sent me some tools to open the phone, some essential screwdrivers. So let's start with the activity. I have already opened some of the screws, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws that need to open. So we'll just open them. Battery is removed. You can use these tools to pry open the case. Now this screws in. This part can also be removed. Make sure that the locks are also removed. Now there are some connectors which are connected to the motherboard. This is the motherboard of the phone, and there's one here which is for the display. As you can see from this one, this is the connector. So this is what you need to remove, and this is on the board itself. You don't need to remove this one, and you need to remove this cable. And you need to remove this one, and you need to remove this one, after which you can simply motherboard, make sure that the wires are in place. Now you don't need to open all the connectors here. Now just turn over the phone, and you can screen. You can remove the screen by using any sharp penknife as well, or with your fingernails if you have strong fingernail. Now I have also removed this screen once before, that's why it's quite easy to remove. Otherwise, if you have a new phone, then it may be a little harder than this one. Make sure that you are careful with the wires here because they're quite tiny and they may break. So just be careful with the wires not to break anything. It's the new screen digitizer. There's a protective cover here. That is what needs to be removed. as you can see, there's an adhesive provided here, so we need to stick carefully on the board. This is where the cable will go in. So that part is done. So we'll be now attaching the cables to this motherboard. Just be careful that you don't break anything. Now you just have to connect the cables to the motherboard. Make sure that they lock in nicely. This is another one that needs to be connected. Just make sure that the connectors lock in nicely. The wire should actually run in this channel provided. This is the next piece that we need to connect. And there's one connector here that we need to connect to the motherboard. That's all that is required. Now we can place the back panel. Then we need to screw this thing hole up. Okay. Before I screw everything up, I just want to check whether this thing is working. So let's do that first so that we save some. All good. I'm actually connecting the power cable because the battery is low. There you go, we have display. There you go. Everything is working well. So I will go ahead with the screw work.